Hello everybody, how are you? I am Norez and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classrita.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is, which of the following happiness when you enter the formula G15 into a cell? Option A, Excel recalculates the formula into worksheets. Option B, Haskell signed the sum of the values in the previous 15 cell into the active cell. Option C, Excel signs the value in G15 the active cell. Option D, nothing. G15 in an invalid formula. Correct answer of the question is nothing. G15 in an invalid formula. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classrita.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there an answer session on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering. So you can thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.